Get going in the left side up. There we go. And out front is North on Toronto. So
Cool.
58 seconds will get us up to 346 meters. That's
Oh, sorry.
1,136 feet. Any questions along the way, feel free to ask. The glass floor is one flight of stairs down from where I let you off, and elevators to the ground are on the glass floor level.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Ears popping.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mine are like exceptionally.
That is quite a nice view.
Mine are like exceptionally sensitive to pressure. Oh, there they go.
What?
Just pop.
Yeah, mine are.
Build up, build up, build up. There.
Wow.
There goes the other one.
That's a pretty nice view.
And then
Hmm? Got the picture at least.
Alright, once again, the glass floor is a flight of stairs down, and elevators to the ground are one flight down as well.
Sweet.
Hey, just right out this way. You guys going down here for line up?
Badass. Dude, here you go. This is you. That will do nicely. Doug's fine. Yeah.
Oh, go ahead.
Punch out a couple more light bulbs. Wow, that is one hell of a view.
Right on. Right on.
All the way down there.